Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing with you what I got my son for Christmas. He is 9 years old and let's get started. First up is this large Sonic the Hedgehog pillow. It's got Tails, Sonic, and Knuckles. Picked him up this realistic pepperoni pizza blanket. It's a circle blanket. I'm going to leave it in its vacuum sealed packaging, but that's what that is. A few clothing items, an unspeakable t-shirt, and this t-shirt, it's kind of like airbrush and it has Freddy Fazbear on it. It says, "I survived 5 nights at Freddy's." He loves My Hero Academia and other animes, so I got him these boxers. These Super Mario house shoes. One has Luigi on it, the other has Mario. Very cool. Super Mario tennis shoes. These are so cool. Speaking of Mario, he did ask for the Flower Power Mario plush and a Bowser plush. He is so cool. I grew up playing Mario. I'm so glad that he is enjoying Mario as well. Anime items. He did ask, this is another item he asked for, is a Funko Pop of Deku. And it's from My Hero Academia. So, picked him that up. He asked for this as well, the My Hero Academia Deku action figure. And he also really likes Itachi from Naruto. So when we saw this at Walmart, we had to pick this up as well. So it's an Itachi action figure. And another thing he had been going on for a while was these FGTV minifigures. I don't think that you can buy these in store anymore. You can find them online. And I purchased a whole set of these on eBay for a really low price. And because he is really into Sonic still, we picked him up this X-Shot Sonic the Hedgehog Nerf kind of gun thing. I really like this. They had a couple different styles of these as well. Playing card binder, and this is for his Pokemon cards. This has the evolutions of Charmander and Bulbasaur on it, and it came with all the pages, and it's a 3-ringed binder. Another item that he had asked for was this Pokemon trading card set, but with the giant Pikachu card. He really wanted a Pikachu, but he wanted one of these large ones. So this comes with 4 booster card packs, a large Pikachu, and 2 other Pokemon cards right there up front. A couple DVDs. Goosebumps. He loves Goosebumps. And he asked for Monster Blood. This is Monster Blood DVD. It comes with Monster Blood 1 and 2 and How to Kill a Monster and The Girl Who Cried Monster. And Goosebumps 2 DVD spook pack. He wanted One Day at Horrorland, and it came with that one and Go Eat Worms. And he really likes Five Nights at Freddy's, and so we picked him up the official character encyclopedia. This thing is actually really neat if you're into Five Nights at Freddy's. It has like all the characters in there and explains about them. He's going to love this. He also got an early present. He got Five Nights at Freddy's 4. Also for Christmas we're going to pick him up Security Breach. Five Nights at Freddy's Security Breach. So. And obviously that can't be shown because it's going to be digital downloadable content on the Xbox. He loves to read these Captain Underpants books and Dogman. So I picked him up this 3rd epic novel of the Captain Underpants. And the first edition Dogman. And last but not least, stocking stuffers. Krabby Patties. He loves SpongeBob and he'll love those. And Skittles. One of these squishy worm kind of like toys with the angry eyes. A Crayola Color Twist Bath Bomb. He asked for this Gujitsu Hulk. So I don't know if I'm going to actually put him in the stocking or wrap him yet, but here he is. He's kind of small. It's a mini. But he asked for him. And then he still loves Lego minifigs, so I got him a Itachi. And Ghost Rider with the green bike. That is the stocking. That is everything that we picked up Connor for Christmas. Don't forget to check the description box as well as the cards for additional links. Thank you so very much for watching.